welcome back to Junior's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make Tomyam soup. First, pour some oil into the hot pan and then put some chopped onions. Let's stir until it turns brownish. Next, put some fish balls and fish cakes. After that, add some carrot, tomato. Let's fry once again. At this stage, add some water. Finally, add some ginger, chili, lemongrass. Lastly, add some Tomyam paste and mix it well. For additional flavor, add some tamarind water. Add some salt for taste and add some prawns. Add some cabbage. Let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Just like this. Look delicious. Now it's ready to serve. So simple, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.